Are you ready for the next big thing in the smartphone world? The wait is almost over as Samsung gears up to unveil the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series on January 22nd, 2025, during the Unpacked event in San Jose, California. While we're still a few days away from the official launch, leaks and rumors have already given us a sneak peek at what's to come, and it's looking like Samsung is about to shake things up with this release. One of the most exciting parts of any new smartphone launch is the accessories that will be available alongside the device, and the Galaxy S25 is no exception. Samsung has always offered a wide variety of accessories, and this year, we're seeing a lot of exciting options that will make your new device even better. Whether you're planning to grab the Galaxy S25 as soon as it hits the market or are just curious about what Samsung has in store, these leaked accessories are definitely worth paying attention to. Let's start with the cases. Samsung is known for offering a range of options, and this time there's something for everyone. For those who prefer a simple and sleek look, silicone cases will be available in a variety of colors. These cases are soft to the touch, lightweight, and perfect for those who want to keep their device protected without adding any extra bulk. The best part? The colors of these silicone cases will match the new shades of the Galaxy S25, so you can get a case that complements your device perfectly, whether you prefer something subtle or a bit more vibrant. If you're looking for something with a bit more personality, Samsung will also offer textured cases. These cases provide a unique look and feel, making your Galaxy S25 stand out from the crowd. Some of these texture cases even come with built-in stands, allowing you to prop up your phone for hands-free use. Whether you're watching videos or browsing the web, the built-in stand adds extra convenience to your device. For those seeking a more premium option, Samsung will offer leather covers for the Galaxy S25. These cases come in a variety of elegant colors, such as black, white, brown, and gray. Not only do they give your device a luxurious high-end feel, but they also provide durable protection. If you want your Galaxy S25 to look and feel sophisticated, these leather cases are the perfect choice. But Samsung isn't stopping there. They've also designed some fun, funky cases for the Galaxy S25. If you want to express your personality, these unique cases come in bold patterns, bright colors, and unconventional designs. These cases add a fun element to your device while still offering the protection you need. In addition to the cases, Samsung will also offer an anti-reflective film for the Galaxy S25. This accessory helps reduce glare and improve the display experience, especially since the Galaxy S25 is expected to have one of the best screens on the market. If you've ever struggled with screen reflections, particularly in bright outdoor conditions, this film will make using your phone much easier by ensuring a clear, crisp display no matter where you are. All in all, Samsung is offering a wide range of accessories that will allow users to personalize and protect their Galaxy S25 in style. Whether you prefer a sleek silicone case, a premium leather cover, or something more fun and unique, Samsung has something for every type of user. The anti-reflective film will also make using your phone in bright conditions much more enjoyable, giving you a top-notch viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Do you enjoy the feel of a sleek, ultra-slim smartphone? If so, Samsung is about to present a device that could change your expectations for flagship phones. Meet the upcoming Galaxy S25 Slim, an exciting addition to the Galaxy S25 lineup that promises to combine style and power in an impressively thin design. While we are all eagerly waiting for the official unveiling of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, the Galaxy S25 Slim may take a bit longer to reach stores. But when it does arrive, it's expected to offer something truly special. The Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to be a thinner, lighter variant of the standard Galaxy S25. If you love the idea of a flagship phone with a super slim profile, this device might just be your next favorite. With flagship smartphones getting thinner and sleeker every year, the S25 Slim stands out as one of the slimmest options Samsung has ever made, at least among non-foldable devices. Early leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 Slim will measure approximately 159mm by 76mm with a thickness of just 6.4mm. To put that into perspective, it is thinner than the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models, which are 7.6mm and 7.7mm thick, respectively. While 1.2mm might not sound like a huge difference, it's noticeable when holding the device. The slimmer profile means the Galaxy S25 Slim will feel comfortable in your hand and fit easily into your pocket, offering a perfect balance between style and usability. But what makes the Galaxy S25 Slim more than just a pretty design? Beneath its slim exterior, the device is expected to be packed with powerful features. The S25 Slim will reportedly feature the same Snapdragon 8 Elite chip that powers the other Galaxy S25 models. This means you can expect the phone to perform excellently in terms of speed, multitasking, and even gaming. Whether you're streaming high-definition content, browsing the web, or playing the latest mobile games, the S25 Slim is built to handle it all. The phone will be more than capable of managing demanding tasks, all while maintaining that slender profile. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Slim is its camera system. The device is rumored to be equipped with a triple camera setup that includes a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. This powerful camera array will allow you to capture detailed, vibrant photos in a variety of situations, whether you're taking wide-angle shots, close-ups, or zooming in on distant subjects. Samsung is known for creating excellent cameras in its smartphones, and the S25 Slim is expected to continue this trend. Despite its slim design, the Galaxy S25 Slim is also said to pack a solid battery life. Leaks suggest the device will feature a battery capacity between 4,700 mAh and 5,000 mAh, which should provide plenty of power for a full day of use. Even with intensive activities like gaming, media consumption, and photography, the S25 Slim is expected to deliver a reliable battery performance that will keep you going throughout the day. Now let's talk about when you can get your hands on this stunning device. While Samsung has not officially confirmed the release date for the Galaxy S25 Slim, it is expected to be launched sometime in the second quarter of 2025. Samsung is likely to hold off on releasing this model until after the official launch of the other Galaxy S25 devices, which are expected to be unveiled in January 2025. As for pricing, there's no word yet, but given its premium features and slim design, it's likely to fall into the higher price range. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
What excites you most about a new smartphone launch? Is it the cutting-edge technology, the sleek new design, or just the sheer anticipation of unboxing something brand new? For Samsung enthusiasts, there's plenty to be thrilled about as the launch of the Galaxy S25 series approaches. With the official unveiling just around the corner, there's a buzz in the air, especially about the sale and delivery dates in India. Samsung has officially announced that the Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on 22 January 2025. This event is set to showcase the highly awaited Galaxy S25 series, a lineup that promises to push the boundaries of what we expect from smartphones. The pre-reservation phase has already kicked off, fueling the excitement even further as fans prepare to be among the first to experience Samsung's latest flagship. One of the most pressing questions on everyone's mind is about the timeline for pre-orders and the actual delivery of the new devices. Although Samsung has kept some details under wraps, a series of leaks and insider tips has started to paint a clearer picture, particularly for the Indian market. Before Samsung made its official announcement, a leak suggested that South Korea would see Galaxy S25 deliveries starting from 7 February 2025. Naturally, this raised curiosity about when Indian customers would get their hands on the new devices. Indian consumers now have some clarity thanks to popular tipster Asian Agarwal, who has provided key insights. According to Agarwal, deliveries for those who pre-order the Galaxy S25 series in India are expected to commence around 3 February 2025. This timeline seems to be set for early adopters who reserve their devices ahead of time. For those who prefer to wait and purchase after the initial excitement, regular sales are likely to begin on 9 February 2025. While the exact pre-order window remains undisclosed, Samsung's typical strategy offers a clue. The company usually allows pre-orders to start immediately following the launch event,